Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you are doing well in this COVID pandemic situation and following the all safety instruction which are given by the government. So, today we are going to learn a new chapter named the Earth and Solar System of your subject SST Geography. Okay? So, what is the Earth and what are the solar system and how it is formed, how it look like? We are going to learn in this chapter completely. As you can see in this picture, there is some planets are here in Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and we will learn about this. Okay. First of all, what is galaxy and universe? A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. What is galaxy? Is a huge system of billions of stars. In this galaxy there are billions of stars and clouds of dust. The clouds of dust and gases. And what is universe? There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. Okay, so you understand that a galaxy is a system of billions of stars, clouds and gases, and when there are millions of such galaxies formed, they make the universe. You can see the pictures of the galaxies and the universe. Okay. Next, the sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. What is celestial bodies? The sun, moon, and all the objects. As you can see, we have see our tube lights and bulbs in our home. They are shining, na, at night. But in the same way, the sun, moon, and all objects which we can see in the sky at the night time, and they are shining. Okay, there is no electricity on there na, up to the in sky, so that they are self illuminated, or uh, they are taking lights from the sun, or so that, so this is what they are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light which they emit in the large amount. These celestial bodies are called stars. Okay, so now we learn the definition of the stars. What are stars? Like some celestial bodies are shining in the night and are very, so some celestial bodies which are very big and hot, and they are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light, means they have their own self light and heat, and they which they emit in large amount. Okay, which release they release, means these celestial bodies are called stars. Okay, you can see the sun is a star. Our sun, we can see in the morning, that is in afternoon, the sun is giving us lot of heat, and this is called a star. While watching the night sky, you may notice various patterns formed by different group of stars. Okay, some nights you can see many stars are shining in the sky, and you can, if you follow the instruction, the pattern of these stars, you notice that there are some group of stars. Okay, and they are forming some fixed pattern for shape. Then these are called constellation. Okay, one of the most invisible, recognizable constellation is the Saptarishi. Saptarishi means seven group of stars. It is a group of seven stars. As you can see in the picture, that I have arranged the picture of Saptarishi for you. There are seven stars, and they form this shape in the sky. In ancient times, people used to determine directions during the night with the help of stars. The north stars indicate the north direction. It is also called the pole stars. It always remains in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of Saptarishi. We can follow and note the situation of pole star with the help of Saptarishi. Okay, some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of stars. Such bodies are called planet. As I told you in early slides, that some celestial bodies do not have their own light and heat, but they take the light from other stars. Okay, these bodies are called planets. The earth on which we live is a planet. Earth, we are living now, that is also called a planet. It gets all its heat and light from the sun. Okay, we get light and heat from the sun, as you know that, which is our nearest star. Okay, as you know that sun is a star. If we look at the earth from a great distance, say the moon, it will appear to be shining just as the moon. And if we see our earth from the moon, then the earth also will be looking like a shining star, okay, to us. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. It is a companion of our earth and moves around it. Okay? Like our earth, there are seven other planets that get heat and light from the sun. Okay, we have read about it that there are other planets also. So we will learn about them. The solar system. The sun, the eight planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids from the solar system, or we often call it a solar family with the sun at its head. So what is solar system? Is like sun is the head of the family, and other eight planets, satellites, and other celestial bodies are forming the complete solar system. As you can see, the sun and the eight planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, fact, there is a fact about how the word solar derived. Sol in Roman mythology is the sun god, and solar means related to the sun. So the family of the sun is therefore called the solar system. It is the basic how the word derived solar. Okay. Now the sun. The sun in the center of the solar system, it is a huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system, but that tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because despite being our nearest star, it is far away from us. The sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Why we not feel the large amount of heat of sun? Because we are very far away from the sun, but still we feel so much hotness in the summer na. But if suppose if the sun is very near, came near to us, then definitely the earth will, I think, burn. Okay, just because the sun provides a maximum more heat. Planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are, as I shown you in the pic, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay. Okay, so if you want to learn these names in series wise, I have arranged a trick for you. An easy way to memorize the name of planets in order of their distance from the sun is like I shown you the pic, and the trick is also my very efficient mother just served us nuts. Means M means Mercury, V means Venus, E means Earth, M means Mars, J means Jupiter, S means Saturn, U means Uranus, and N means Neptune. And there is, you can see, Pluto. What these first, this is also included in the planet series, but now this is a dwarf planet. Okay, dwarf means small planet. Okay, all the 8 planets of the solar system moves around the sun in a fixed path. They all move around the sun in a fixed path. These paths are elongated. They are called orbits. Okay, Mercury is the nearest to the sun. It takes only about 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Venus is considered as the Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to the Earth. These are the facts which I have given to you, that Mercury is the nearest to the sun and it takes 88 days to complete one round around the sun. Okay, and Venus is considered as the Earth's twin. Twin means similar. Its size and shape are very similar to Earth. That's why it's called Earth's twin. Okay, and the Earth on which we are living. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun, which I have shown you in the pic. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why its shape is described as geoid. And geoid means as Earth like shape. Okay, So whenever anyone will ask you that what's the shape of the earth, you will answer that it's geoid shape. Okay. The moon. Our earth has only one satellite, that is moon. Its diameter is only one quarter of the earth. It appears so big because it is nearest to our planet than other celestial bodies. Okay, it's our natural satellite of earth. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time of to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on earth. Okay, as you know that moon moves around the earth in 27 days about. Asteroids. What are asteroids? Apart from the stars, planets, and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also moves around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. As you can see the pic of the asteroids, okay, and they all are the part of solar system, as I told you. Meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which moves around the sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come near to earth and tend to drop upon it. Sometimes they moving and keep coming near to the earth and drop upon it. Okay, but during this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light, as you can see in the picture. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burned, falls on the earth and creates a hollow, and sometimes they fall on earth and create a hollow structure there. So